Hello, sir, ma'am. Good day. My name is Catriza de Lima. I'm 32 years old from Philippines, and I'm a college level taking Bachelor of Nursing, and recently I finished my course as a caregiver. And right now, I am a mother of two kids. I have two daughters. The eldest is 7 and the youngest is 3. I also have a partner. And in my past experience, I've been a domestic helper for almost 3 years, and I serve for a poor family member and with one couple, 5-year-old kid and 65 years old. My tasks are doing household chores like ironing, cooking, washing clothes. Sometimes I do car washing and taking care of a 5-year-old kid. And if I have a free time, I do tutorial. And with my future employer, please choose me because I'm a very hardworking, kind, honest, and trustworthy person. And I promise to be a good helper to your family. And I will treat your family as my own. And uh, I will follow your rules, and I'm so excited to be part of your family and to serve you as soon as possible. Thank you so much and God bless.